My name is Neil Menezes. I am Vice President for Enterprise Architecture at Dubai Holding. Dubai Holding is a $35 billion investment company with total assets around the world. Part of that is the Jumeirah Group, which is a luxury world-class hospitality group. We operate 24 hotels around the world, including the iconic Burj Al Arab, which is the world's first 7-star hotel. IT plays a very key role in every service that we offer our guests, right from being able to book a hotel at Jumeirah to being able to actually experience what Jumeirah has to offer you when you stay in one of our luxurious hotels. We offer guests imaginative and exhilarating experiences. It's focused around making our guests feel important, every guest needs to feel like a VIP when they stay at the Jumeirah hotel. Imagine a family coming to spend that special 50th anniversary or a honeymoon, and because of certain failures of technology, it ends up being ruined. We cannot let that happen. If systems like our central reservation system goes down, if systems like our property management solution or point of sale solution goes down, then it has a direct impact in terms of the services that we provide to our guests, also the ability for our guests to book a Jumeirah hotel worldwide. So these end up being in the millions. In terms of managing our backup infrastructure, we currently use Veeam. It's one of the most fundamental services by which we provide reliable and sustainable backups to our environment. Before we had Veeam, the same things took longer, the same things took more storage space, the same things that we used to do didn't enable my administrators the flexibility in terms of how we wanted to manage and operate our backup infrastructure. The same things that we today take for granted were much more complex, were much more difficult to achieve. Protection of guest data, protection of profile information about our guests, all of these things are critical. Veeam made things very easy. Right out of the box, I think we had it implemented within 2 weeks at Jumeirah. Our backups now complete in half the time that they used to complete before. In addition to the fact that even our restores are now 4 times faster. The other fact is also we have a 30% reduction in the amount of storage that our backups consume now. All in all, there's not just 1 or 2 reasons. It's a multitude of reasons why I would heavily recommend to anybody, not just the hotel industry, the product.